So it's been a week. Well, it's been since Monday that I've started this journey of working out and eating really low calories and just sticking to it. I haven't weighed in yet. I'm going to weigh in the morning, and of course, I'm going to film that, and we're going to do it totally Biggest Loser style. So, I'm going to have on the spandex shorts and the sports bra, just like they would on the show, just so I can know exactly how much I weigh and be able to show it and be appropriate or whatever. But I just wanted to give everybody an update as to really how I'm doing and how I'm feeling about it, more than just showing the weight. Ironically, I've felt like I've been eating really well. I haven't been hungry at all, and I am discovering that if done right, I actually like chicken. I don't normally like chicken, but if I cook it right, I do. Like tonight, I was able to do chicken breast, and I put sauteed onions on the top that I didn't do in butter or anything like that. I just heated them up in the microwave before I put them on top of the chicken breast. And then I sprinkled some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese on top and baked that in the oven. And then covered it with a little bit of mustard. And it's actually incredibly really good. Like I was even surprised at how good it was. So there's all kinds of different things that I can eat that I really, really enjoy. As far as exercise is concerned, I've been getting up every single morning. Well, every weekday that I work morning, I've been getting up at 5:30, getting dressed and going downstairs to the gym here at our apartment. And I've been spending anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes in the gym, just kind of doing usually treadmill and bike. And then at night, I will go back and I'll do treadmill and bike again, but then I'll add a few little weightlifting things. And then Friday, and then again today, since I'm off, I was able to spend a little more time in the gym and do a little bit more. In fact, yesterday I was able to do 30 minutes on the bike and a full hour, no, 30 minutes on the treadmill and a full hour on the bike. And then I went to the freezing cold swimming pool and did water aerobics and did some water jogging and just up and down the pool. And I did most of that again today, only I didn't do any treadmill today because my knees are just kind of starting to hurt a little bit from all the working out. So I just did 30 minutes on the bike, and then I did a full circuit of weightlifting there in the gym before going out to the pool, freezing cold pool again, and doing some more water aerobics. So my plan for tonight, I'm going to do some Wii Fit because it's super fun, and burn some even more calories. I've been burning about 2,300 calories a day. Now there's 3,500 calories in a pound, so I'm not losing a pound a day, but I'm losing more than a pound and a half. So I'm really excited to find out if that's accurate and I really am losing that amount of weight. May even actually lose more this week because I've been drinking so much water. I've completely and totally given up soda and sweet tea, which are my favorites, and drinking only water and drinking it like it's going out of style. So I'm really excited to be able to update everybody, and I hope that that it'll show up on the scale. But more importantly, I can feel it in me. Like I can already tell that my clothes are fitting better, and it's only been 5 days. That's incredible. Um, because yeah, like it's great. So I think I'm gonna stick with it, and I need all your support. Thanks.